Came across a KKA compressed archive file and need to extract it? This is a less common archive format requiring specific tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these KKA compressed archive files using available extraction utilities. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade KKA file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A KKA file is a compressed archive created by the KKA Archiver utility. Similar to zip or RAR files, it bundles multiple files and folders into a single, smaller file for easier storage and transfer. Users encounter this format when they need to extract contents from an archive created with this specific tool. The KKA format is a proprietary binary container designed for data compression. It likely employs a specific compression algorithm and a header structure that stores metadata about the archive files, such as file names, directory structure, and checksums. This design prioritizes compression ratio and integrity for the archived data. To ensure best performance with KKA, always start with KKA Archiver from KKA software. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows identifies the archive but doesn't always handle it, so specialized tools must unpack it. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the KKA file and hit Open With. Use KKA Archiver if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If you are still having trouble opening the KKA file, do not worry. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the KKA problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, trying universal archivers. Attempt opening the KKA file with universal archive tools like 7-zip WinRAR or PiaZip. These applications support many archive formats and may successfully extract KKA files if the underlying compression follows known standards. Right-click the file and try Open With for each archiver. Next, renaming extension. Try renaming the KKA file extension to common archive formats like .zip.rr or .7z and attempt extraction. If the underlying format matches a standard compression scheme, the renamed file extracts normally. Test multiple extensions as the KKA format may be a custom-named version of standard compression. Finally, identifying source application. Research the source application that created the KKA file by examining file headers in a hex editor or checking the original system where the file came from. Knowing the source application helps locate appropriate extraction tools that natively support the specific KKA format implementation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.